Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be talking about exactly how much it cost me to start up Amazon FBA. Now I know you guys hear a lot of numbers like you need $1,200 to start Amazon, you need $2,000, 500, whatever. So I'm going to be going through exactly where that money goes and how much it actually cost me and probably how much it's going to cost you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, all of the softwares I mentioned will be linked down in the description below so you guys can check them out by yourself. Also, these expenses are in chronological order, so I'm going to be showing you guys where my first dollar went and then when did I buy the Amazon account and everything like that. So with that out of the way, let's get started. So the first expense you're gonna have is Jungle Scout, which is a product research software. Most of you guys would know it, but if you don't know, it's a product research software where you can enter the criteria and actually find Amazon products. That's what most people use to find their products. Now the next thing I bought was a Chrome extension, which is also from Jungle Scout, and it basically allows you to see the numbers of the product that you're trying to sell. So let's say you're looking into selling gaming chairs, you can run the software and see if this product is selling well or not. So over here you can see the price, the ranking, the sales, their revenue, the reviews, and basically just from this you can tell if a product is a winner or a loser. So this Chrome extension is gonna cost you close to $100, and it's absolutely a must if you want to succeed on Amazon, because otherwise you can't tell the numbers and you can't tell if a product is selling well or not. So this is a must, and unlike the web app, you don't have to pay a monthly membership fee. It's just a one-time purchase. So I have this Chrome extension forever, unlike the web app where you pay $39 per month. Now moving on, the third thing I bought was the Barcode, which cost me around $10. Now these barcodes are really expensive. I believe they're $400 per year, something like that, but you can buy them from Nationwide Barcode or barcodemania.com. I personally bought mine from Nationwide Barcode because they seem more legit and I never had a problem with them. So if you guys are looking into buying barcodes, I would prefer going with Nationwide Barcode. However, I heard Barcode Mania is also really good. So after I found my product and I got a name for my brand, it was time to get a logo. So that only cost me around $5. However, it can cost you up to $100 depending on where you get your logo done. I personally got mine done from Fiverr.com, and I recommend you guys doing the same because they give really cheap logos and they're actually pretty good. I was pretty surprised when I got my logo, and so I would prefer going with Fiverr. However, you can get freelancers to do it for $100 or $70. It all comes down to you, but again, I would go with Fiverr because they're cheap and the logos are actually good and they get the job done. Now moving on, after I found the product and got a logo for it, I tried to look for manufacturers and I actually ordered a sample. Now this is not necessary, so if you guys want you can skip this. However, I just wanted to be sure, so I ordered a sample which cost me around $43, and most of it was shipping. The product wasn't really that expensive. I believe the product was only 90 cents or something like that, but the shipping was like $40, so that's why it came down to $43. And again, this is not necessary, so you can count this out. However, I would prefer getting a sample just to be sure that the product that you're selling is up to your standard. Okay, so probably the biggest Amazon FBA expense are the cost of products, obviously. So I ordered 500 units and it cost me $1,500 with shipping and everything included. Again, this could be lower or higher depending on how many units you order and how expensive the product is. My product wasn't really that expensive, however, I ordered 500 units, so that's why it's $1,500. And it was air shipping and not sea shipping. For first time users, I would prefer going with air shipping. You don't have to deal with customs or anything like that. It just ships through the air and the product gets here in like 5 days. So I would definitely prefer going with air freight because it's easier and you don't really have to worry about anything, especially in the beginning, because you really don't want to be dealing with customs or wait 2 months to get your product. So again, this could be lower or higher. I think you should have at least $1,000 to order your product. So after I placed the order, I opened up an Amazon seller account, which is $40 per month, and it's the pro version. There's also a free version, however I don't recommend going with that. I believe you cannot ship your products to Amazon FBA warehouse if you don't have the pro version. I'm not sure on that, you guys can do your research, but I'm pretty sure you can, so I would go with the $40 version. So that's $40 per month. Now the last thing I purchased was JumpSend, and JumpSend is another web application, and it basically sends automated emails to your customers. So this way you can get reviews. This is also a must if you want to get reviews, and reviews are obviously crucial on Amazon. So in order to get reviews, you would need to buy JumpSend or some sort of application that allows you to send automatic emails to your customers. So JumpSend is also $29 per month, and it can go up to, I believe, $59 per month, but you don't need that. I would prefer going with $29 per month. It gets the job done, especially in the beginning. So the total came down to $1,763, including everything. And one more thing, you guys might be wondering, where's the Amazon PPC cost? So since you're gonna be making money while you're spending on Amazon PPC, you really don't need to budget that, and it's really not a startup cost. However, if you just want to have enough money saved up, so let's say your Amazon PPC fails, which it would not if you follow the steps. I also have a video about it, you guys can check it out in the description below. But let's say you want a peace of mind, then I personally saved up $600. That's a lot of money, because when I was budgeting it, I didn't realize that you're also going to be making money. So that's why I budgeted $600, and I also thought that you're gonna be paying it upfront or whatever. I don't know what I was thinking. So I saved up $600. However, I would say $300 is enough. So in case your PPC fails, you would have $300 saved up for that expense. And lastly, I just want to say, for you guys, this cost would be different, and it all comes down to cost of your product, how many units you order, and everything like that. But if you don't include that, then the minimum cost is $220 for all of the softwares you'll be needing, and also the barcode and the logo. And yeah, so you need $220, and let's say you spend $1,000 on your product, it would go up to 1220. So I would say at least have $1,300 or $1,200 saved up for Amazon FBA. And that's pretty much it, guys. One more thing, I was wondering if you guys want to see a course from me, and that course would be only $25 in the beginning, and then it would go up to $50 once I release it. So $25 for the people who pre-order it. Let me know if you guys would be interested. I would include everything in that course and basically give you everything you need to start Amazon FBA. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that, and leave a like if you guys made it to the end. And subscribe if you're new. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers by the end of March. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm out. Peace.